Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that, viewers, if you remember, I have informed you in previous videos that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are heading towards Addis Zaman, which is located on A3 highway. And for the past few days, there has been fighting between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, Amhara forces, and Tigray Defense Force in the surrounding areas of Addis Zaman and Ibnath. But now, according to the latest reports, Tigray Defense Force is claiming that Tigray Defense Force has taken control of three key places after defeating the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces near A3 highway. Viewers, Tigray Defense Force has said that Ibnath, Sibakwa, and Gawada are now fully under the control of Tigray Defense Force. And Tigray Defense Force soldiers are present in these areas. Viewers, if you look at the map, these areas is not located far from Addis Zaman. After gaining control over these areas, according to Tigray Defense Force, now Tigray Defense Force soldiers are moving towards Addis Zaman. Viewers, if Tigray Defense Force takes control of Addis Zaman, then Tigray Defense Force can easily block A3 highway. And on the other hand, then Tigray Defense Force will have several options. Either can move towards Gondar, and then when the Tigray Defense Force reaches the place of Barita, the Tigray Defense Force can grow on to Bahirdar. Either the Tigray Defense Force can move on this side to gain control over the Bahirdar or the Debre Tabor on the B22 highway. Viewers, on the other hand, for the past 2 days, reports have been received that heavy fighting between Amhara militias and Ethiopian National Defense Force continues around Gondar. But now, according to the latest reports, Gondar's close fight has also begun between Eritrean soldiers and Amhara militias. Viewers, I inform you in the previous video that goods are being stolen from homes in Gondar by Eritrean soldiers. And according to more updates. It is being said that Eritrean troops have been accused of robberies and theft, including looting 50 luxury cars from Gondar and taking them to the Eritrean capital Asmara. So viewers, so far is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.